Do you have a home filled with things you don't use? Oh, you know what I mean. The clothes you haven't worn in years, gadgets that collect dust, or gifts that you've kept out of obligation or guilt. Wouldn't you love to have more space? Not just physically, but mentally and emotionally too? Well, here's a thought. If someone offered you a fabulous gift, would you even be able to accept it? Or are your arms, space, and mind so full of the past that there's no room for the new? I get it. No judgment. I'm a certified clutter coach and I still struggle with this. We hold on to things because it costs so much. My aunt gave it to me. Or what if I need it someday? But here's the reality. If you don't love it, need it, or use it, it's clutter. And clutter, whether it's in our home or in our minds, blocks the new energy. And it blocks the life of your dreams. Making space isn't just about tidying up, it's a powerful act of letting go, of releasing the old and welcoming in the new. When you clear out physical clutter, you create room for fresh possibilities. You send a message to the universe that you're ready to receive, that you can embrace the life you truly desire. But this just isn't about your physical space. It's also about your mental and emotional clutter, the beliefs, the habits, the relationships that no longer serve you. Well, when you make space in your life, you're not just cleaning out a closet, you're making room for growth, change, and for a life that's waiting for you. So take a look around. What are you holding on to that no longer serves you? What can you release to make space for the new? Remember, the life of your dreams can only come in when there's room for it. Let go of the old to make way for the extraordinary. What physical or emotional clutter are you holding on to that you need and are ready to release? Two, how can you create more space in your life that'll open you up to new opportunities and experiences? And three, what small step can you take today to begin clearing out the clutter and make room for the life of your dreams? Don't wait. Do it now. This can literally change your life, making space for what you really want. And if you liked this, I got a surprise. Version 2.0 of You Are the Artist of Your Life, my best-selling book, is coming out in a couple of months, and this will be part of it because I am listening to you, to my clients who tell me this is important, that's important to me. And if it's important to you, then it means everything to me as well, because I have a whole vat of modalities to share with you. And don't forget mindset. Mindset is everything. And sometimes we get stuck, really, really stuck, and you need help getting unstuck. Oh boy, it changed my life. So I've got something called TMRT, which is fabulous, what it does for your mind and your heart and your life. Keep clearing out the old. The past is over. We can't change it. The only thing we can do is reframe it so that it doesn't cause us so much, you know what I mean, right? And it's Audrea Firestone, the Rapid Results Coach, with the emphasis on the rapid. I will see you later, alligator. Bye bye.